this is Silent Wolf, and I'm doing a video on my turtle. I'm feeding him red shrimp. I guarantee this the most. If you check here, look, crude protein is like 59%. It's a lot. And so we're gonna feed him. He's gonna for surely eat it. He loves it. I got him from PetSmart. Gonna give him a little bit more. Okay. He really likes shrimp. And yeah, just a minute. I gotta pause this video real quick. There. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna need one more. There we go. There. I'm gonna let him eat the rest of it. There's one more piece in there, and he'll get it, and it'll be the end of the video. Yeah, I really recommend this. Look at all that. It won't zoom. Wait. It's trying to. There's like barely any fat. There's enough fiber and moisture and protein in it to where I'd trust it. Yeah, watch. He really loves this stuff. Here's the last piece. Here, just a minute, guys. I had to pause the video to change the camera direction because it's trying to adjust. When he eats that last piece. There we go. Now. You done? I think he sees it. Alright. Does he see it? Does he see it? Yeah, I think he's done.